Hello, this is Kostas, and to this short video, I'm gonna show how exactly we update the, uh, the SEO title or even the description of our web page, and then we force, and in fact, we are asking Google search uh, to uh, to scan again our website and populate our changes the fastest possible. Of course, that doesn't happen in the next seconds, minutes, or sometimes hours. It takes a while and sometimes can take about 24 hours to update the settings so that the result to web search, to Google search, to be the one that we have added as a new title. For example, if to our website we change the title and we have updated the SEO title, because on that way, using uh, the particular plugin, and to our case it's the rank month. When we change the title of the website, it's gonna populate and update our title of the SEO title, in fact. Okay. So when we made this change and we have saved the settings, we're gonna have to go using our Google account and connect to Google Search Console. Okay, uh, I just click start now and connect to my website, and I'm inside the website. And over here, I can see the that it started receiving data. You see, it's already receiving impressions and clicks, so I can easily see. So the last step to update Google Search Console and be able to know the changes that happen to our website is to go to the URL inspection. When we click here, it's gonna show us our website, the main page, and over here I can let it retrieve the changes. So here I can see the view crawl page. I can see the screenshot if I want, and I can see even the title over here. As we can see here, it's the old title. We can see that now Google is using the old title. It's not updated. If we want Google to start using our new title, I'm gonna have to click request indexing. Okay, I'm gonna click request indexing. It's gonna start testing our live URL, and it's gonna send again the robots from Google and start crawling our website so that we're gonna have the new title populated to the Google Search Console. After that happened, it might take, you see, it says that it might take minutes, a minute or two. Sometimes it might take a little bit longer to populate. Okay, you say indexing requested. So URL was added to priority crawl queue. Submitting a page multiple times will not change its queue position or priority, so I don't have to try that again. I'm gonna just have to wait and wait to see when the crawl page is changed. So I don't have to change anything else to my website. There is no reason to do so. I just have to wait Google to populate the result and be able to see that over here. Even if I refresh the page, I'm not gonna see something different, but Google must crawl and show the new title that I have already changed. It's not good to change often the description and title, because it confuses the system, and sometimes it's gonna take a little bit longer to have the result. But usually after doing this procedure, you're gonna see that it's gonna change this after a while. Maybe it's gonna take 1-2 hours, and sometimes it takes longer. it's gonna show the new title over here. When the new title over here is shown, I'm gonna have the same result when I search to Google. Okay, give me a moment to search to Google. You can see that the Google result, it's not changed already, and it might take a while. Okay, so you can just check after a while, about after 1 or 2 hours, and this page, it's gonna change and it's gonna show the new result. And you can even see a screenshot of your test, your live URL. You see here, I can test it and see a screenshot of the live URL. And over here, uh, the SEO description and title, it's gonna show in fact to my HTML. Uh, okay, it's no use to have the preview of the live URL, but it's okay if I want to just check it over here. The point is that what we care about is to have the this title change, and as you can see, it's already changed now. It's already crawled the website, so I can check it over here and see the result and how it's changed. You see, already here I got this one, and that is the boutiques radio music longness nar. Okay, let me just see that's here. I don't know, maybe you change that again. Let me just check it right away. Okay, I got it over here, and I got the change of this one, that it's over here. You see music e-boutique, it's the title, and very soon it's gonna be populated, and so even over here, because the results even to the Google search, it takes a while to populate. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you need something more, you can let me a message to the comments, or just like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be around here. Thank you very much. See you soon.